Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK. I know I've been gone for a while. I'm getting ready to install some braids in my hair, single braids, but I wanted to share how I'm doing it. I bought this 100% Kanekalon hair by Sassy in the color 1. What I did was I took the hair out of the 3 packs I bought, and I'm soaking the hair in vinegar water right now. I'll show that to you right now. So here is the hair soaking in here, and it's vinegar and water. I poured a really good amount of vinegar and then filled the rest up. And this is a tub I got from Dollar Tree. And the hair is soaking in there right now. I'm going to let it soak for about an hour or so. And then I'm going to take it out. I'm going to lightly shampoo it, rinse it, let it air dry overnight, and then I'm going to install the hair. And I'll do that tomorrow. So this is the second step that I do. I wouldn't dare apply braids without dealing with that pH balance that's in the hair, especially if you have sensitive skin like I do. Okay, I'll show you the next step. I almost forgot. I will be spraying this on my hair and also on the braid. It's Infusium 23 Pro. This is the original formula. Years ago when my hair was broken off really bad and it was see-through and it was choppy looking, and I put braids in my hair and I wore braids until I grew my hair back out, this is what I used on my hair to keep my hair strong while it was in the braids. So I will be spraying this on my hair and on the braids when it comes time for installing it. Okay, I have finished braiding my whole head. I got started at 11, finished around 4 because I ate. I took a whole bunch of breaks and did all kinds of stuff. But anyway, I wanted to take my time doing this. So I have my perm rods in. This is how my braids look. I'm not the greatest braider, you guys, but my goodness, it's so hot here. I had to let my scalp breathe. So let me take these out so you can see how that turned out. And I didn't cut the braids short like I was originally going to do, but you can see how it's curled here. And I have a ponytail in the back. Let me turn on so you can see the ponytail back there. Okay, so let's see. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, this one got caught. Okay. I had dipped it the first time and the curls were great, and then I said, oh, let me dip it again. Why did I do that? I don't know, but it's still curled anyway. And I wanted to get those gold cuffs. I think they're called cuffs that go on the braids. I might get that later and have a few, like put up in here somewhere or something. Okay, so this is how it's looking. It's curled, and I have a box in front of me, you guys, and I'm having a hard time positioning myself here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me take them out of the ponytail. Okay, and these are the perm rods I used. And remember when I showed the type of hair I bought, which was called Sassy, I bought 3 packs. And I only used, I think I have 25% of the hair left. So I didn't use all 3 packs. I didn't need all 3 packs. I don't like to overdo it on the thickness of the hair. But let me turn around. Boy, I'm in a bad position. Don't laugh at me. I know you're laughing at me. Okay, let me turn around. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's how that turned out. And I'm going to be wearing it like this. We are like in the 90s and the hundreds, and if we're lucky some days in the 80s, but it's been getting... Okay, so how I'm going to do the upkeep for my braids, I'm going to be using the Infusium 23 Pro, the original formula. I prefer the original formula. They do have a let me see, one that says moisturizer or moisture, but this is the one I like, and I got it from Sally's. So I will be using this twice a day, every day. I have a very dry scalp and dry hair, so I'll be using that. And when it's time for me to shampoo my braids, I will be doing that. I'm not going to be walking around with a head full of dirt. So I will be keeping my scalp and my braids clean, okay? And if, whenever I should happen to need to recurl my braids, I'll be using this. And there's so many different hairstyles I can wear. I could wear my hair to the side. I could wear it in a ponytail. I could wear a chignon. I think that's how you say it. I could do the half up, half down look. There's just so many different hairstyles I could do with this, and I plan on having fun for the summer. So that's it. That is my update. I have finished my braids. I took way too long doing it. I normally don't take that long, but I took a long time today. So you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and thank you so much for watching. You take care. Bye-bye.